Good morning, ma'am. Any good editorials to read today?
Yes, definitely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindus editorial section. So come, let's have a look. So the article is Wetlands as a National Public Good. Now see, let us understand the background of this. Yesterday on 2nd February, it was World Wetlands Day. And 2026 theme is Wetland and Traditional Knowledge. Now, India has rich wetland traditions, tanks in Tamil Nadu, kullams, lakes, mangroves, floodplains. But India has lost nearly 40% of its wetlands, and that is not a good sign. Wetlands help us survive, yet we treat them like wastelands. What are exactly wetlands? See, in simple words, wetlands are areas with water for most of the years, like lakes, ponds, floodplains, mangroves, marshes. They are nature's helpers. Now, why are wetlands so important? Let us understand the multiple dimensions of this topic. First is the ecological dimension. Now, they store water, recharge groundwater, support biodiversity like fish, birds, control floods and droughts. Wetlands work because of natural water flow. Dams, mining, roads, and encroachment disturb this flow. Okay. Second dimension is disaster management. Act as a buffer, act as natural buffers. Mangroves protect from cyclones, floodplains absorb excess rain, cheaper and better than concrete infrastructure. Third is economic and livelihood dimension. Now, supports fishing, farming, grazing, traditional livelihoods depend on them, and degradation is equal to loss of income for communities. Then, fourth is the urbanization challenge. Now, see, cities dump sewage and waste into wetlands. Wetlands shrink due to real estate. Result is urban flooding, water scarcity. Then we have the governance and policy issues. Now, what are these issues? See, India has rules. Wetland Rules 2017, which are Ramsar sites. Yesterday, 2 Ramsar sites have been added. You must have known it. One is Patna Bird Sanctuary, and second is from Kutch, Gujarat. Now, these Ramsar sites are under Ramsar Convention 1971. Okay, but poor implementation, weak monitoring, understaffed authorities, and poor coordination. Now, problem is not lack of laws, but lack of capacity and seriousness. All right. Now, the sixth dimension is knowledge and community role. Now, what is the knowledge and community role? See, traditional practices protected wetlands for centuries. Now, local communities understand water better than paperwork. Need community-led conservation, not just projects. Now, the big message of this whole article is that stop treating wetlands as beautification projects, treat them as national public goods, shift from short-term projects to long-term programs, combine science plus policy plus traditional knowledge, and that's when you will get the results. Now, let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic. This is highly relevant for prelims and for mains. GS paper 3, environment and ecology. GS paper 2, it becomes important, role of institutions, community participation, and for essay also this article becomes highly important. If you want a deeper analysis of the article, please go watch our DNA video, and that is it for today. Thank you for watching.